Kule nduginya matakiruta nguo merore ni uria memenete mire yao oi ndangirwo guo riu marake agekira nguo na nyanya bua akarukia ndakeone na niwe gutiri ungi. You know, society taught us not to appreciate ourselves. Ungirora ciana igikura, and I know our parents have very good reasons for this. No kimwana ona gutiri mundu akire kana kaithura kana kaikaire atia tinda kugu gigithiuruka ora gigathiuruka etiguo okure gaikara riu koguo mwana kesho kinyare mwana ni amenyerire kwi ni ewe no we kuhumbo kahumbo bucuri ukahumbo no kerwo we menyere tete ni oru. But now that you know yourself and you are a dignified woman, abereria kwiyenda, you are sought after.